Advanced system administration in companies is all about structure, security, and precise control. When you manage Linux and Windows servers, the first thing to understand is that each one brings different strengths. In Linux, the core tasks revolve around users, permissions, and background services. It is a flexible environment where firewalls, scripts, and scheduled jobs allow you to automate almost everything. Monitoring performance and keeping packages updated is essential to avoid failures. In Windows Server, everything starts with Active Directory. Administrators control identities, access, and shared resources from there. Server roles and features expand what the system can do, and PowerShell makes it possible to automate complex tasks with great accuracy. Group policies help maintain order, and the built-in security tools reinforce system protection. In a professional environment, it is not enough for each server to run well on its own. They must work together. That is why companies rely on virtualization, containers, well-designed internal networks, and DNS services that prevent disruptions. Backups, high availability, and load balancing are also essential to keep everything running even when something goes wrong. Best practices complete the job. Documenting changes, hardening the system, reviewing logs, planning updates, and reacting quickly to incidents make the difference between a stable environment and a vulnerable one. Managing advanced operating systems means building a secure, organized, and scalable infrastructure. In the description, you will find a link to the blog with more details.